Okay, boys and girls, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to go through Sears. Looks like a 5-drawer rolling tool chest. Picked this up at the estate sale for the prepper with, well, there was about 20. I didn't win them all, but there was about 20 toolboxes on this auction. This one here had that snap-on, that gray snap-on toolbox from last week sitting on top of it. They didn't really show what was in the drawers. I thought it was empty, and well, let's take a look at what we got. So this must be where the guys separate out his tools, because it's got a whole container of Craftsman, first of all, and it's got a bunch of these black handle pliers, made in USA. And these two are the same here, so that's the first thing that I found, which pretty good little find. Thought it was a complete set, but it's not. And then we got some half-inch drive Craftsman extensions. Got a Craftsman, it says guaranteed. It's a little 8-inch pipe wrench. Little 6-inch adjustable wrench. A Craftsman round head ratchet with the thumb wheel. Pretty good little pickup. It's another 1/4 inch. This one's newer. It's a VL 44807 quick release. We've got a 1/4 inch, about a 6-inch long Craftsman. Here's a 3/8, about 6-inch extension. Okay, here's another little extension, 3-inch. Just looks like wrenches. Got this little line wrench here. Another line wrench. $19mm. 24x22 open end. 20x22. 17. Doesn't really look like a set of anything. That's a line wrench. Combination. A lot of metrics in there. You got one modified 12x14. The next thing we have, looks like it's a lot of snap-on. Obstruction wrench there. Some salted wrenches. See if there's a complete set here. got 6 of them. I don't see any more. 6 sulcus wrenches. That's a good start. We got this 1-inch angle wrench. The 13mm angle. 14. 17. The 12. The 10. This one here. 15. For the angle wrenches that we take. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 snap-on angle wrenches. Okay, then we got snap-on offset box wrench. This one's a Matco offset box. Another Matco. Snap on there. The snap-on specialty wrench, XDH 1012A. It's got the round handle on it. A little combination wrench. Here's another Matco snap-on combination. And here's a little blue point 1/4 inch 6-point. Some would call that an ignition wrench. Snap on. Let's see. I think that does it for the wrenches. Some Matco in there. So people like those Matco wrenches. Okay, then I got this little 1/4 inch snap-on ratchet. This is a part number TM70C. I also got this little stubby. This is a TMK739. It's a tiny little ratchet. I guess they're pretty handy. I never had one before. And we got a few extensions here. 3/8 knurled handle, snap on. So I might make a set there. Here's a snap-on extension with a lock pin on a snap-on impact swivel. Then here I got some snap-on 12mm, what I call these triple square 12-point. These look like they are well used. Looks like there's a lot of wear on those. Here's a snap-on 8mm hex bit, a 6mm, and then there's a 10 long arm. There's a little punch, roll pin punch. It's a Mac, I believe. Yeah, Mac. And then there's one socket. It's a 1/4 inch, 3/8 drive deep, 12-point. Looks like about it for the snap. Save the best for last, guys. This isn't the last. So this is a bunch of USA made There's an SK flex head, SK 1/2 inch. There's an Action. American Forge. That's a Proto Challenger. I think what this is, that he's got this separated out. This is all American made tools, but not tool truck stuff. It's a Thorson. Industrial. I believe this Thorson extension. It's a Husky. Might be it for the ratchets and extension. Okay. We got a Williams needle nose. And then we got a couple Dymalloy green handle. Looks to be in really good condition. A little dirty, but good condition. Most of the rest just wrenches. They're all Proto Challenger. Got a little Challenger ignition wrench set. Might be a complete set of Proto Challenger. Proto Professional here. Another Challenger. Challenger. That looks like it for the Challenger. Probably going to be a few more in there. We got some Dunlop. Know what this old one is? No, that's an old plum. Oh, Velcheck. Another Velcheck there. Getting some old stuff. I don't see a name on that. It says Drop Forge USA. There's one that says USS. Kind of an S wrench. There's a Super wrench. A Fairmont. Another Fairmont there. It's a Dunlop. That's a Velcheck. This one just says Made in USA offset wrench. It's a Dunlop. This one I don't see a name on it. Another Proto extension. Little Proto pair head ratchet, 3/8. Looks like it might have seen better days. Pretty loose. We got a old breaker bar. I don't know who makes that, but it's got an anvil on the end of the handle also. We got SK Wayne, Westline, Arkello, another SK. Just said Made in USA on that one. It's a little 1/4-inch breaker. It's American Forge. Little Craftsman in here. Oh, I missed that. This one here, I don't see a name. It's a Velchek. SK Challenger, little Challenger, both of those. And here's the third one, little Proto extension. SK there. It's a Robinair refrigeration wrench. Got a, they're for pipe plugs, I guess. Refrigeration guys must run into those every day. Another little Challenger. American Forge. Oxwall, Thorson, Dunlop, Fuller. Another Fuller there. The PNC. Some kind of magnetic bit holder there. Dunlop, Oxwall. Don't see a name on this one. It says Made in USA. PNC and a Dunlop. An old Stanley screwdriver. Then you can see in the bottom drawer, guys, there's a bunch of all trade nut drivers. See them down in there. And now they call stuff top shelf. Well, there is a little top shelf on this. And that's what we got in there. I almost didn't see this. It's a very shallow drawer on the top here. But, if we look at these, there's a set of Craftsman deep 3/8 drive with the L handle. Don't come across those too often. And then there's also a 1/2-inch drive L handle. It's got an extra socket, which is a 25/32. I haven't seen a complete set of these in years. Of the 1/2-inch, I've never seen the 3/8 complete set. So there's a couple of rare things worth sticking around till the end for. So that's what I got in this toolbox. It's kind of like finding treasure, because they didn't show any pictures of these tools in the auction. They just showed the toolboxes together, and they showed the snap-on box, the drawers, but they didn't show this one. So man, there's a lot of good stuff in here. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, share, and subscribe. And until next week, you guys all have a great week. Thanks for watching.